Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to set any song as your iPhone ringtone. Yes, you heard that right, any song. No more settling for the same old, boring ringtones. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more awesome tech tips and tricks. It really helps us out. So, what will we cover today? We'll break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. We'll look at how to choose your song, and where to find it. Trim your song using GarageBand, don't worry, it's free. Export the trimmed song as a ringtone. And finally, set it as your iPhone ringtone. It might seem a bit complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. Scene 1, choosing your song. Okay, first things first, you need to choose the song you want as your ringtone. You can use a song you already own, downloaded music, or even a track from Apple Music, Spotify, or YouTube Music. Just be aware of copyright restrictions when using downloaded music. We recommend only using tracks you legally own. For this example, I'm going to use a song I have downloaded. Just make sure the song is accessible from your Files app or your Music app. Scene 2, trimming the song with GarageBand. Now, let's move on to the most important part, trimming your song. We'll be using GarageBand, which should already be installed on your iPhone. If not, you can download it for free from the App Store. Open GarageBand. Swipe until you see Audio Recorder, and tap on it. Tap the View button, it looks like little bricks, in the top left corner. Then tap the loop icon in the top right corner. It looks like a loop. This opens the Apple Loops and Files tab. Go to the Files tab and tap Browse Items from the Files app. Find the song you want to use and tap on it. GarageBand will import it. Now, tap and hold the imported song and drag it onto the timeline. Okay, now comes the trimming part. iPhone ringtones need to be 30 seconds or less. Zoom in on the timeline by pinching the screen. Tap the song on the timeline. Handles will appear on either side. Drag the handles to select the 30-second, or less, section of the song you want to use. You can use the play button to listen to your selection and make sure it sounds good. If you need to adjust it, just drag the handles again. Scene 3, exporting as a ringtone. Great, you have your perfectly trimmed section. Now let's export it as a ringtone. Tap the down arrow icon in the top left corner. Tap My Songs. This saves your project. Tap and hold on the saved project, you'll see a pop-up menu. Tap Share. In the Share sheet, scroll down and tap Ringtone. GarageBand might ask you to name your ringtone. Give it a name you'll recognize. You'll also get a warning if your ringtone is longer than 30 seconds. If you see this, go back and trim it again. Tap Export, in the top right corner. GarageBand will now export your creation as a ringtone. Scene 4, setting your new ringtone. Alright, almost there. Now for the final step, setting your new ringtone. Go to your iPhone settings app.
Top, Sounds og Haptics. Top, Ringtone.
You should see your new ringtone at the top of the list, under Custom. Tap on your new ringtone to select it. And that's it. Your new ringtone is now set. Scene 5, Conclusion. Congratulations. You've successfully set any song as your iPhone ringtone. You can now personalize your phone even further with your favorite tunes. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.